history. It sits in the old L. Frank Salary Company building. That was built.
स्कूटी वेरे मम्मी